12 golden muscle building foods, gain quickly. You've dedicated hours in the gym, pouring your sweat and energy into every workout. But here's the truth, your muscles don't grow while you're lifting weights. Instead, they break down, making room for something stronger. That's where the magic happens, rebuilding. And how do you achieve this? Through strategic nutrition. Your muscles crave specific nutrients to grow and strengthen. It's not just about eating, but eating right. The right combination of proteins, carbs, and fats at the right time is your secret weapon. These nutrients refuel your body after intense training, paving the way for substantial muscle gain. But beware. Without the right foods, your efforts are in vain. You might be putting in the work, but without proper nutrition, you're merely spinning your wheels. Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate muscle-building arsenal, 17 powerhouse foods designed to fast-track your gains. But before we dive in, remember this, these foods aren't just for bodybuilders. They're for everyone striving to build muscle, men and women alike. And for those skinny guys out there, this isn't just about gaining weight, it's about gaining muscle, burning fat, and maintaining a lean physique. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a high-quality protein source with numerous benefits for building muscle quickly and effectively. The protein in eggs provides all the necessary amino acids for muscle growth, and it is easily digestible and absorbable. Additionally, choline in eggs helps prevent fat accumulation in the liver, enhancing muscle energy and strength. Eggs are also a significant source of vitamin D, aiding in calcium absorption. Biotin and vitamin B12 in eggs support the conversion of fats and proteins into energy. Despite containing fats, eggs mainly consist of healthy fats such as non-saturated fatty acids, maintaining crucial energy reserves for muscles during workouts. 2. Lean beef. Lean beef is a source of creatine, and the combination of protein, creatine, and iron in beef not only promotes robust muscle development but also enhances endurance. Beef is low in fat and contains essential B vitamins like B6 and B12, necessary for metabolizing protein into energy and facilitating efficient muscle function. 3. Shrimp. Shrimp is a low-calorie, low-fat protein source ideal for muscle building. Shrimp is rich in essential minerals like iodine, zinc, and selenium. Iodine is vital for thyroid health, maintaining muscle function and energy. Zinc and selenium boost the immune system and reduce inflammation, aiding quick muscle recovery after workouts. 4. Chicken breast. Chicken breast, a high-quality protein source, is indispensable for muscle development. Protein in chicken breast contains a variety of essential amino acids, helping the body recover and build muscles effectively. Chicken breast is low in fat and provides niacin, vitamin B3, and vitamin B6, crucial B vitamins for improving the metabolism of fats and proteins into energy. Additionally, chicken breast supplies natural creatine, enhancing strength and workout capabilities. 5. Salmon. Salmon is not only a high-quality protein source but also rich in nutrients promoting muscle building and overall health. Salmon protein contains numerous amino acids, strengthening the body and aiding muscle recovery post-exercise. Particularly, salmon is rich in omega-3 amino acids, reducing inflammation in muscles and encouraging muscle growth. 6. Tuna, especially black or albacore tuna, is an excellent source of protein and nutrients for building muscles and increasing strength. Tuna protein provides a range of essential amino acids. Tuna is also known for its significant omega-3 fatty acids, non-saturated fats reducing inflammation and enhancing muscle strength. Omega-3 not only improves muscle quality but also supports heart health and the immune system. It is rich in vitamin D, enhancing calcium absorption. Tuna also provides minerals like iodine, maintaining thyroid activity, a crucial factor in maintaining muscle strength and endurance. 7. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a complex carbohydrate and fiber-rich source of nutrients, providing stable energy and balancing blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes also contain essential vitamins and minerals. Among these, vitamin C boosts the body's immunity, reducing inflammation and injury risks. Sweet potatoes also contain vitamin A, a potent antioxidant, maintaining muscle health and enhancing the body's recovery ability. Moreover, sweet potatoes supply potassium, a mineral essential for water balance and muscle function regulation. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa, a grain from South America, is a high-quality protein source, providing essential nutrients for muscle building and maintaining health. Quinoa protein contains all necessary amino acids, aiding effective muscle recovery and building. Quinoa also supplies vital minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. Magnesium reduces muscle tension, promoting muscle relaxation, while phosphorus and manganese are necessary for energy metabolism and muscle development. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a high-quality carbohydrate source, known for its energy and endurance benefits. Carbohydrates in oatmeal provide energy for muscles and aid in maintaining endurance throughout workouts. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, maintaining a feeling of fullness and supporting digestion. 10. Nuts. Nuts are a source of protein, fiber, and healthy non-saturated fats, excellent for health and muscle building. Nuts provide protein for muscle recovery and development. They also contain a variety of amino acids, maximizing the muscle building and maintenance process. The fiber in nuts helps maintain a feeling of fullness, controlling calorie intake and maintaining stable weight. Additionally, fiber supports gut health and prevents digestive issues. Nuts also contain healthy fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and improving heart function. Fats in nuts are essential for absorbing vitamins, especially vitamins A, D, E, and K, maintaining muscle health and strength. 11. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit rich in non-saturated fats, protein, and fiber, excellent for health and muscle building. The fats in avocados are mainly non-saturated fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and improving heart function. Fats also help absorb vitamins, such as vitamin A, D, E, and K, maintaining muscle health. 12. Beetroot. Beetroot is a source of fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, supporting health and muscle building. Fiber in beetroot maintains a feeling of fullness, controlling weight and providing stable energy for muscles during workouts. Beetroot contains essential vitamins like vitamin C, B6, and folate. Vitamin C boosts the body's immunity, reducing inflammation and improving muscle health. Vitamin B6 participates in protein metabolism, enhancing recovery and muscle building. Folate supports cell production and maintenance, increasing muscle strength.